um, and of course answer your question about the exercise, because I take the same exercise I did for the Spanish student, and probably there are some concepts you didn't know at this point. So it's normal. If you have any question, we can try to resolve now. Michael, how are you?
Thank you, I'm good. How are you?
How is going there?
Not much here.
Yeah. You can go
Everything's
out.
good.
You can't go out.
We can, but you should avoid it, like only things you really need, like doctors or something like that, or going to the supermarket, and that's it, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's not what the Dutch people are doing.
Okay. Colin is here, but I don't know why. You have no microphone. Okay, let's go to try to write. Okay, so let's go to start with the questions. Question you have about the exercises.
I would start with question 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what you mean exactly, like the concatenated predicate, it's clear for me. And the consecutive numbers from a list, do you mean like when I have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
Yeah.
For example, as the input,
Yeah.
then the output should be 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5 and 6? Or
Yeah.
do you mean something different?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. You have to take all consecutive pairs of numbers in a list. So if the list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the first pair, I'm gonna write here. I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna write. Sorry, 1 second. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
I'm trying to find how to share my screen. You know how to share the screen?
Top right corner, these 3 dots, and share screen.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So the idea right here is if you have the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example.
Why can't I see a screen?
Can you see? Can you see the screen?
No, I only see a picture of you.
No,
I can see
I
it.
can see it.
You can see?
Yeah.
No, I only see a picture. I see in. Oh no, yes.
Now?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. If you have the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the idea is how we can get consecutive pairs of numbers. Okay. Like we have 2 variables. Element 1 is number 1, and element 2 is number 2. It's the first pair, and if we ask for more, you're gonna say, oh, Prolog, give me more elements, like, and Prolog will say, okay, the second pair is element 1 is number 2, element 2 is number 3, and we can ask for more, and element 1 is number 3, element 2 is number 4, okay, and so on. The last one, element 1 is number 4, and element 2 is number 5, and there are no more. And Prolog will say, okay, this is more. Prolog say false. There are no more consecutive pairs in this list. Okay, this is the answer we want to obtain. Valentin, good morning. How are you?
Voilà. Oh putain, j'ai la caméra, j'ai pas vu.
Taking your breakfast. Okay. Sarah, how are you?
Fine.
Okay. I don't know what happened with Colin. Is here?
Yes, here.
Ah, okay. Nice, nice. Okay, perfect. How are you, Colin? You are both.
Fine.
You are in Huelva.
Yes, we are in
Okay.
quarantine. We are roommates.
Okay. How is going with you there?
Fine.
Ba-
First week is done, but
Okay.
fine.
Okay, nice. Okay, so this is the idea. This is the idea to get all consecutive pair using is using append predicate, or in Spanish is concatenar, no? It's the same. It's exactly the same. Append or concatenar. But in case of append, let's go to change the name, because exist and predicate that is called append. Do you want I can explain for you this predicate? What do you think? Let's go to create from 0 this predicate of my append. Do you have any question of how to create this predicate?
I didn't understand because you put my append. I don't know. I didn't understand.
Okay, we have to create
Like in the other predicate, inverted, you put 2 append, and I don't know why.
Okay, let's go to start with my append. Let's go to create this predicate. Okay, let's go to create this predicate, my append, and let's go to check how this goes. Do you have any question about this, or do you know how it works?
I was actually possible to split up the list in sublists, but I'm not sure how you can check if like the next number is a consecutive number. I was not able to get this.
Okay, okay.
From
So
Prolog.
let's go to start with my append, if you want. Do you have any question about my append, or to create, to put one list and another list together?
No.
No, what means? You don't have any question? You know how appends works? Okay, let's go to create this predicate. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, So my append have two input variables. It's like list 1, list 2, and the result. And it is true if result unify with a list. So if result unify with a list that have elements of list 1 followed by elements in list 2. Okay, when that is true, in result we have the elements of list 1 followed by elements in list 2. It's something like my append the list 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 3 4 5. The result will be list 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, any question about how this it works?
Yeah.
It's okay? Okay, so we have to give an answer using the induction.
Yeah.
We have to give an answer for the n0. First part, give me an answer. The property for the first one had to be true. And the second part of induction say, okay, if the n-1 is true, then property in n is true. In Prolog, we write it's like something like n2 is n-1, property in 2. So if the property is true for n-1, if all that is true, then the property for n will be true. But in case of list, we have here, what is n0 in case of list?
Empty list.
Empty list. Nice. And how we can get n-1 in list?
The rest of the list.
Exactly. So n-1
Like
is the rest, the tail.
the tail. Yeah.
List. Perfect. So let's go to create the first part, my append. So now we have two variables here, two input variables. We have L1, list 1, and list 2. In this case, when we have two variables, we are going to apply the same idea, same trick. Let's go to apply induction only for one of the variable. The order of the variable will remain exactly the same. So let's go to try to create induction only with list 1 and see with what happened. And list 2, we are going to leave exactly the same. So I have to give an answer for empty list for the list 1, and list 2 will remain exactly the same. What is the result here?
List 2.
List 2. Any question? Everyone see that the result here is list 2, or you have any other option?
No.
Yeah? Everyone
Yes.
sees? Yeah? It's okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Christian, do you agree?
Yeah, I'm agree.
Okay, perfect. Now, next part. Let's go to ask to the n-1. So my append from list. So
People cannot join the group because the video call is full.
Full of people here.
Yeah, and the people who want to join, but
Okay, Colin, will it be possible you disconnected from the hangout?
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you. You are both together with.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Mario. I don't know why.
Hoezo is het? Ah, het ging geen gisteren.
We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
because there are only 10 spaces, right?
Okay,
Or no?
Mario is in. Colin, you have here another. I don't know why. Mario.
Yes.
Hi, Mario. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Better.
Okay. Okay, I don't know if there's someone who can't enter.